Hello, my name is Stephanie Rösner. I'm working here in the application lab from testXpert. Today I will show you my favorite testXpert free feature, the user management system. Let me show you. Imagine you have one testing machine but with 20 different users, for example in a shift work system. With the integrated user management, you can create different user roles. So each user sees only the relevant things that are important for him and he can focus on his task. That simplifies the use and errors are avoided. That feature is integrated in testXpert Free and guarantees an easy workflow in every test line.